Have you ever wondered how those lucky people on BEEM seem to be constantly raking in cash? It's not magic, folks. It's a system. A system that, with a little understanding, can work for you too. So, let's dive into the world of BEEM payments and uncover the secrets. BEEM, for those who are new to the platform, is a digital payment system that connects people and businesses. It's like having a digital wallet that allows you to send and receive money instantly. But how does this translate into actual cash in your pocket? The various payment methods, BEEM offers a variety of ways to get paid. Let's break them down. Direct bank transfers, this is perhaps the most traditional method. When you receive a payment on BEEM, you can request a direct transfer to your linked bank account. It's simple, secure, and widely used. BEEM cards, if you prefer the convenience of a physical card, BEEM offers virtual and physical cards. These cards can be used at any ATM or store that accepts Visa or MasterCard. Mobile money transfers, for those who prefer mobile wallets, BEEM supports transfers to popular services like MTN Momo, Airtel Money, and Glow One. Airtime top-ups, need some airtime? BEEM allows you to top up your mobile phone balance directly from your BEEM account. BEEM agents, if you're not comfortable with online transactions, you can visit a BEEM agent to withdraw your funds. Tips for maximizing your BEEM payments. Now that you know how to get paid, let's explore some tips to maximize your earnings. Complete your profile. Ensure your BEEM profile is fully verified and up to date. This will help prevent delays and ensure smooth transactions. Secure your account. Protect your BEEM account with a strong password and enable two-factor authentication. This will safeguard your funds and personal information. Utilize BEEM's features. BEEM offers various features like invoices, payment links, and QR codes. Use these tools to make transactions easier and more efficient. Engage with the BEEM community. Connect with other BEEM users and businesses to explore new opportunities and learn from their experiences. Stay updated. Keep an eye on BEEM's announcements and updates. This will help you stay informed about new features, promotions, and any changes to the platform. Getting paid on BEEM is a straightforward process that offers a variety of options to suit your preferences. By understanding the different payment methods, following best practices, and engaging with the BEEM community, you can maximize your earnings and enjoy the benefits of this convenient digital payment system. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep beaming.